All right, a quick taste test of these tomatoes. And these are a mixture of the honeycomb and the Sungold. Now, I love tomatoes. I like tomatoes. Lyrica, my sister.
I like tomatoes. I just cannot eat them, like pop them in my mouth and eat them. Like they have to be in something.
What say you?
I'm the same. I used to love just eating a tomato just plain, but now I feel like it has to be inside of something. So let's see how this goes.
I just like to pop them in. But now we're gonna do a taste test of these. So here we go. What you think?
It's a tomato. It's a plain tomato. It's like a tart tomato.
Doesn't it have like a citrus tone
Yeah.
to it?
Yeah.
Right?
I don't know.
Like
if
a
we
little
both taste
citrusy.
the same size, same one. So I don't know.
Okay. But now let's taste
I don't know which one
our
I'll eat,
second
but
one. Like I said in the video before, garden fresh.
I feel like that one was more
a
citrusy.
10.
So maybe that was the citrusy one.
What kind of citrus do you taste? Like an orange,
I feel like a lemon or
a
something.
lemon?
I feel like a lemon.
Lemony, orange.
Okay. And again, those were honeycomb and Sungold tomatoes,
Okay.
and they're really good. So
I
that's-
tried to eat the tomato without making a face, so hopefully I didn't make a face.
I feel like I did good.
they were good to me. So that's the taste test of the cherry tomato. So there we have it. Like, share, subscribe.
Like,
Hit that
share,
bell to be notified. Peace.